Hello, good morning, student. It's me, Atul Varma, Babu Banasir Das University, Lucknow, the School of Computer Application. Now, today, I'm going to discuss about motive of managers in DSS and BI. Okay, what do decision support system do that actually helps their users? What is their real impact? In my survey, answer to these questions provide elusive in many cases since the user value the system for reasons that were completely different from initial ideas of what the system were to accomplish. In fact, a wide range of purpose exists for this system. While many decision support systems share the goal of standard EDP system, they go further and addresses other managerial concerns such as improving interpersonal communication, facilitating problem solving, fostering individual learning, and increasing organizational control. Such system can affect interpersonal communication in what way? By providing individuals with tools for prescriptions and by providing organizations with the vocabulary and the discipline which facilitates negotiation across some boundaries. Tools of precious. Standard text on system analytics. Tools overlook the personal use of digital support system as tool of precautions, but consider the following offensive persuading someone else to do something, used to which various companies have put this system. The manager of a chemical plant was attempting to meet output goal, quantity by product, that were being set by a marketing group. Unfortunately, the group was setting goal without much consideration of raw material shortage under which the plant was operating. The plant had been using a model to calculate production mixes. At one point, it occurred to the plant manager that he would use this model to investigate whether marketing was setting goals that resulted in poor plant utilization and made him appear inefficient as he ran the model under a series of different production mix goals. It became clear that this was the case, and he used the result to pursue marketing to change his plant's production mixing. When asked whether he were made direct use of case tracking system he had of an adjudication group in a government regulatory agency, said that he remembered only one instance. This was when he spent a lunch hour generating a report to make his group's recent performance appear as favorable as possible in spite of some unfortunate delay and problem that made the standard report look bad. The new president of a large conglomerate used a one-year budgeting model to learn about the budgeting choice. that existed, as well as to help him discount what people in various areas claim concerned their own budgetary needs. The class scheduler of a training school for a company service personnel had found this job frustrating because it was always difficult to justify the budget on a split ground. With a model that generates an optimal training schedule, the scheduler could protect himself if very easily by saying, using these assumptions concerning attritions, acceptable peak time shortfalls, and other considerations. This is the best budget. If you would like me to change these assumptions, I would be glad to generate a new budget. What level of shortfall do you suggest? Does the system not only help the scheduler make decisions, but also help him defend them? Many people suspect that a new product venture in a consumer company might not be worthwhile, but no one knew exactly why. When a risk analysis was carried out with the model, the reason became clear. The venture had a very substantial downside risk. In addition to selling the decision, the analysis provided an understandable response to the people who had proposed the venture. A sign might contain that the people in this situation were taking advantage of or abusing the system. A more practical conclusion is that this system simply serve to improve managers' effectiveness in their organization by helping them communicate with other people. My point is that much of benefit of many of the decision support system in my sample was of this sort. Aids in communications. Decision support system also help managers negotiate across organizational units by standardizing the mechanism of the process and by providing a common conceptual basis for decision making. During my survey, managers frequently communicated that constant definition and formats are important add to communications, especially between people in different organizational units such as divisions or departments. In a number of instances, the development of these definitions and format was a likely and sometimes arduous task that was accomplished gradually over the course of several years, but which was also considered one of the main contributions of the system. For example, one of the purpose of some of the model oriented in my sample was to estimate beforehand the overall result of decision various people were considering separately by filtering this decision through a single model. In this case, the system becomes an implicit arbitrary between differing goals of various departments. Instead of arguing from their own divergent viewpoints, marketing, production, and financial people could use the model to demonstrate the effect of one group proposal on another group. action, and on the total outcome. As a result, issues were clarified and the negotiation process expedited. The production foreman I mentioned earlier noted the same kind of facilitation. It helped them in work schedule, discussion and problem investigation by providing immediate access to objective information about who did what, when, and how will on any production lot in the shop. Data retrieval and manipulation system. First, received wide exposure in a transportation company when a number of the company's top executives used it to develop a good quantitative relational for a proposed merger. Okay, then value to user. Although these implementers of a number of the successful systems I studied found it necessary to go through the me- mo- mention of presenting a cost benefit rationale which attributed dollar value to personal effectiveness. They did not believe these numbers any more than anyone else did. Management usually decided to proceed on this basis that the proposed system seemed to make sense and would like have a beneficial impact. Uh, you can say beneficial way of people interacted and or more decision. Monetary surviving are obviously a very important and worthwhile rationale for developing capture system, but it should be clear at this point that the EDP style assumption that system should always be justified in this term does not suffice in the area of decision support system. Equally, obvious, there is a definite danger in developing a system simply because someone thinks it makes sense, especially if that someone is not the direct user of the system. In fact, the system I cited as my first, second, and fifth example become this way and encounter resistant until they were repositioned as something that user would want in order to become more effective. Again, the general problem here is a common tendency for technical people to concentrate on the technical beauty of a system or idea and to assume that non-technical people will somehow see the light and will be able to figure out how to use the system in solving business problems. This sort of over-optimism was present in history of almost every useful system in the sample. The message is clear. Try to take advantage of creativity of technical expert, but be sure that it is channeled toward the real problem. The challenge, of course, is how to accomplish both of these goals. There are a number of ways which I shall now discuss. Patterns of development. I dispute the common wisdom that need of user must be considered in developing system, and the user should participate actively in implementing them. The user did not initiate 31 of the 56 systems I studied and did not participate actively in the development of 38 of the 56. The result of illustrate in exhibits 2 are not surprising. Instead, user neither initiate nor played or active role in implementing. Okay. One of other hand, many of the systems initiated by users do little more than mechanize existing practices, while much mechanization can be very beneficial. And while I am certainly not suggesting that major innovation must come from outside sources, the real challenge is to be able to use insight regardless of their source. One way to do this is to devise a complete implementation strategy to encourage user involvement and participation throughout the development of the system, regardless of who originated concept. Example of successful strategy follow. Impose gracefully. Yeah. Marketing and production manager in a decentralized company did not realize the extra work, format changes, and data submission requirement needed for a yearly budgeting system, which top management was installing. Initially, they were especially enthusiastic because they thought the system would not really help them. So, at every stage, that designer made a point of development subsystem to provide this middle manager with sales and material uses information that had never been available. This wide pro pivotal instead of seeing the system as a total imposition. The manager saw it as an opportunity for them to take part in something which would be beneficial to them. Run a dog and pony show. Central planning personnel into company design system for budgeting and financial analysis. In one company, the system never caught on despite lengthy training demonstration for divisional staff and other potential users. These individuals seem enthusiastic about the system's possibilities, but never really used in unless corporate planning people did all the work for them. In contrast, the training program from the system in the other company fostered immediate and active involvement. In order to attend the workshop, people were required to bring their own financial analysis problem, then learn to use the system by working on this problem. When the workshop ended, many users were enthusiastic. Not only did they know how to use the system, but they had also proved to themselves it could help them. Okay. When asked whether he ever made direct use of case tracking system, the head of a adjudication group in a government regulatory agency said that remember only one instance appear as favorable as possible in spite of some unfortunate delay and problem that made the standard report look bad. The new president of a large conglomerate used a one-year budgeting tool to learn about the budgeting choice that existed, as well as to help him discount what people in various areas claimed concerning their own budgetary needs. The class schedule of a training school for a company services personnel had found his job frustrating because it was always difficult to justify the budget on explicit ground. With a model that generated optimal training schedule, the schedule could protect himself very easily by saying, using these assumptions concerning attrition, acceptable peak time shortfalls, and other considerations. This is the best budget. If you, the budget cutter, would like me to change this assumption, I would be glad to generate a new budget. What will or shortfall do you suggest? This system not only help the scheduler make decisions, but also help for defend them. People suspected that the new product venture in a consumer company might not be worthwhile, but no one knew exactly why. When a risk analysis was carried out with the model, the reason became clear. The venture had a very substantial downside risk. In addition to selling the reason, the analysis provided an understandable response to the people who had proposed the venture. Content that the people in this situation were taking advantage of a taking of a bad system. A more practical conclusion is that these systems simply serve to improve manager effectiveness in their organizations by helping them communicate with other people. My point is that much of the benefit of many of the decision support systems in my sample was if this sort. During my survey managers frequently commented that concept definition and format are important aid to communication, especially between people in different organization units such as divisions or departments. In a number of instances, the development of these definition and format was a lengthy and sometimes arduous task. It is a little bit, you can say, typical task that was accomplished gradually over the course of several years, but which was also considering one of the main contributions of the system. One of the purpose of some of the model-oriented systems is simple was to estimate beforehand the overall result of decision various people were considering separately. By filtering these decisions through a single model, the system becomes an implicit arbitrary between differing goals of various departments instead of arguing from their own divergent viewpoint. Marketing, production, and financial. People could use the model to demonstrate the effect of the group's proposal to another group, action, and on the total outcome. As a result, issues were clarified and the negotiation process expedited. The production foreman of mentioned earlier noted the same kind of facilitation. I helped them in work scheduling, discussion, and problem in investigation by providing immediate access to objective information about who did what, when, and how will on any production lot in the shop. Although the implementation of a number of the successful systems, I still found it necessary to go through the motion of presenting a cost-benefit rationale which attribute a dollar value to personal effectiveness. They did not believe this number any more than anyone else did. Management usually decide to proceed this basis that the proposed system seemed to make sense and would like have a beneficial impact on the way people interacted and or made decisions. The management of a shipping company found that a system it used in consolidating and fine-tuning strategic investment plan also helped in negotiate with banks. The bank and other sources of financing seem to be uniformly impressed by the careful computer-based analysis on which management based its financing request. The resulting edge in credibility was small, but in management opinion noticeable. Thank you.